Okay, today we're gonna show you how to install an LRB box. And here we are in a condo. This is the box. That's the hole. I have BX. That's how I cut it. My side cutters. Where are my side cutters? Here you go. Side cutters, and also I need anti-short. Okay, as I just have my two hands, so I'll pause and then I'll show you how it gets done. Okay, as you can see, I brought them in, and grounds are under the screw. One I left out for my plug, the other one is cut. Okay, now we're ready to get in using the F-clips. Oops, made a mess with the F-clips. Okay, so the way it works is I push this back in place, and then I install the clips and bend it, and then the other side. I'll show you the finished product. Here it is. So my plugs is in, and these clips you bend them with your pliers to take the shape and be out of the way. And if it's a little bit wobbly, it's fine. The plug will take it, hold it in place. Here's the finished product. I had to adjust the box because it was too wobbly by pressing these ends a little bit. So I pull it out and kind of like crimped it with my pliers. That way it's not shaking anymore. And that's how you install an LRB box. Cheers.